Welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make photo background animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Sometimes people would like to create the photo background animation. For example, they need to remove their photo background and add the different nature images as a background animation slides. This means photo image as a static object and the background images needs to sliding animation. This is possible to create by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's learn how you can do this. First we have to create the three background as a same size. Then you have to remove the photo background. I'm using this photo and needs to remove like this. In my previous video, I explained how to remove the photo background within few seconds. You can check it out that video. I'm also providing the link in description area. Now we can set up the animation. Open the PowerPoint blank slides. Then you have to click on the insert tab. Here you have to click on the picture. Then you have to add the first background image. Then you have to add the second background image. This will also place in the same place, but we need to move right. So press the shift and drag to right side. This needs to be exactly placed the left side of the first PG. Fine. Now I set the background images. Then we have to add the photos. We have to insert the transparent photo. Well, photo inserted into the slide. Now we have to start the animations. First you have to select the photos and go to animation tab. Here you have to click on the appear. Then you have to select the background image, click on the add animation. Here you have to click on the more motion path. Then scroll down and select the right. Click OK. We have to zoom it out. The image moved right for the end of the slide. So we have to adjust by click on this exactly to move right here. That's it. Now we have to do the same setting as the second background image. Select the image and click on the add animation and click more motion path and choose the right. Okay, now you have to adjust the second image by click here and move to exactly place the right side. That's it. The sliding animation setup has done. Now you have to click on the animation pan. Here you have to select this and set the start after previous. Select the both background image and set up the start after previous. Then click to play selected. You can check it. The animation is working fine, but the both images needs to run at the same time. So we have to adjust the second image, start with previous. Now you can select the all frames and play selected. See, the animation perfectly work. Select the first slide, then make it duplicate the slide. In the second slide, you have to select this image. Here you have to change the background image as a second one. So click on the change picture, click on from file, then you have to select the second background image. Here you have to change the background as third image. Select the second slide and duplicate it. In the third slide, you have to select the background and change the third one. Here you have to change the image as first one. Because the looping is completed, this needs to change the first image. Now we have to go to slideshow and click on the setup slideshow. Here you have to select the loop continuously until click on the escape. Then click OK. Now save the presentation and run the PPT file by click on the F5 button. See, the background slides works perfectly. You can also do any kind of images like this. This background runs until you click on the escape button. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, touch the like button.